Welcome to our safety series. Today we are learning about an essential fire safety tool, the fire blanket. Do you know how to use one? It's crucial for everyone in your household, including kids, to learn. First, let's talk about why a fire blanket is a must-have in any home. It's simple, effective, and can extinguish small fires before they spread. They're especially handy in kitchens or near barbecues. So how do you use a fire blanket? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Locate the fire blanket. It should be somewhere accessible, like your kitchen wall. Step 2. Pull down on the tabs to release the blanket from its case. Step 3. Hold the blanket in front of you with your hands wrapped around the top edge to protect them. Step 4. Carefully approach the fire and gently place or throw the blanket over the fire, completely covering it. Step 5. Turn off any heat sources, such as the stove or gas supply. It's vital to practice these steps with your family regularly. Educating everyone, especially kids, not only empowers them, but also helps keep everyone safe in case of an emergency. Remember, safety first. Stay tuned for more safety tips in our next video.